I've seen a trend lately of people toasting their pasta before they cook it. Let's see if that's worth any of your time. So like I said, I've seen a lot of people toasting all kinds of pasta. I'm going to use Orecchiette. It'll have a good amount of surface area touching the pan. Speaking of which, I'm going to do these in just a standard non-stick pan here. We're not going to cook this in a big amount of water. We're actually not going to cook it in water at all. We're going to cook it in a chicken stock. I'm going to use Better Than Bouillon just to make my life easy tonight, which I already have heated up, but it's not about the sauce. The goal here is to see if I cook both of these dishes exactly the same, just one toasted and one not toasted. Will I taste the difference, and is it worth you doing it? So to start, we're just going to get this pan heated up. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil just to help it with that toasting process. You could toast it completely dry if you want. And we're just going to throw those in and let them cook in here until they get a little bit of browning started. You're not trying to burn these. That'll give you a bad taste. But that's kind of what we're looking for. You can see a little bit of browning going on around the edges that we're setting face down. And now we're going to let that go for about another minute or two. And then right here is where I'm going to stop it. You could tell there's a good amount of brown on each piece. I don't want to take it too much further than that. So we're just going to move this off the heat and now start the prep to make these into a saucy pasta. I want to first add the other pasta into the other pan. I know the toasted one is a little hotter at the moment. We're going to add 8 ounces of liquid to each. Obviously, that one's going to boil kind of rapidly, but it'll even out over the next 10 minutes as these cook. But we're going to put them both on fairly high and let these do their thing for the next 9-10 minutes. I'm going to add a little more liquid into each of them. Just want to make sure that they're submerged enough to start with. And now we're going to cook these until they're ready. It's probably going to be about 9-10 minutes until they reach that nice al dente point, and we'll see how they taste after that. At this point right here, they're both basically fully cooked, and as far as I want to take these, there's a little more liquid than I would be looking for, but that's ultimately fine. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter to each one of these, a little bit of parm, and we're just going to try to turn this into a sauce at this point. I tried to toss both of them with each one of my hands, but man, I could not do that with my left hand. So we switched over to just kind of mixing it with a spatula here. It's definitely a little looser than I wanted sauce-wise. You can see it's starting to come together. They're saucier than I want, but that's not the point here. We're not talking about the sauce, although the sauce was pretty good. But we're just going to make these as close as we can to the same dish, and I'm going to throw them each into a bowl, and we're going to give them a little bit of a taste test. I could tell some things right by looking at them, which is interesting. The toasted pasta cooked less, which is interesting. The other pasta, the non-toasted one, it's a little bit softer right off the bat, so that's interesting. But I added a little extra parm here, and now let's taste them. The initial first impression is that the non-toasted one is definitely a little bland. That's fine. We didn't season this super heavily, and that's kind of what we were going for. Diving into the toasted one, there is a tiny bit, and I mean tiny bit, of depth to flavor. I can't really put my finger on what the depth is. I can taste the difference between the two. Is it worth your time? I really don't think so. Maybe in another recipe this would shine a little more, but just blind tasting them, toasted versus not toasted, I don't think this is worth your effort.